The most cringeworthy term in the enterprise tech space is a concept of clean core. If you're implementing SAP or any ERP system and you're planning on a clean core, you need to run as fast as possible from this concept, and I'm going to explain why. Now, let's start with the psychology of the word clean core. The word clean core suggests that clean is good, anything other than clean core is bad. This is completely false. Clean core is good if you're a cloud software provider because you need a clean core and you want a clean core from your customers so that you can scale your solution across as many possible customers as possible. If you can provide a one size fits all solution to every organization out there in every single industry, every single function, that is the utopia that every enterprise tech and ERP software provider aspires to. But here's the problem. Clean core throws the baby out with the bathwater. Clean core suggests that you're going to implement a new ERP system without customization and in many cases without the data that you have in your legacy systems. Now, on the surface, yes, this makes the technical deployment easier potentially because now you don't have to worry about figuring out how to untangle all those customizations. You don't have to worry about trying to customize the new system outside of the software through extensions and whatnot. And you don't have to worry about APIs and other integration points to other systems. But this clean core concept is completely unrealistic to everyone but the ERP software vendors. The reason for that is because clean core suggests that you are just like every other company out there and that you can use the software exactly the way it was built. And if you do need to make customization, you're going to do it outside the system somehow, in which case you have to wonder, well, why not just go get a third-party system to handle that functionality or find an ERP system that better addresses your needs? But that's a whole nother conversation for another time. What software vendors fail to realize is that companies that have customized their software, in many cases, yes, they've customized things and overcomplicated things in ways they shouldn't. But most organizations have a good amount of intellectual property and competitive advantage, secret sauce, tied up in the customization of their legacy system. So while the techie in me agrees, yeah, forget about that customization. Don't bring that customization over into the new system. The business pragmatic side of me says that is completely ridiculous. Why? How is that even possible? Or why are we even talking about this in this industry? And let's take this one step further. Imagine a day in the future where we all adopt clean core with SAP or another ERP provider. All of our competitors, industry peers are all using the exact same vanilla software. How are we going to ever get a competitive advantage if we're all on this cloud clean core concept? Well, spoiler alert, it's not going to happen. Everyone's going to be the same, which isn't sustainable long term. So it's a good short term strategy to make us think we're doing something that's less complex. We think clean core is good because clean is good, but it's not good. It's far from it.